Yeah, hi, yes, syempre, Atasha, congratulations. Actually, I heard about this project weeks ago, and I'm so happy for you. Yeah, and syempre, thank you ha. Hindi ko na sasabihin kung bakit ako nag-thank you sa'yo. O, baka ma-insecure sila. Hindi mo, basta, may naalala siya from, natouch ako sa message, naalala mo talaga from the first press con, talagang tinupad mo, okay? Pero eto, Bad Genius, the series for Viva One, pero kami happy kami sa'yo. Alam namin kung gaano ka magaling, kasi hindi ka naman Atasha Mula, kundi ka magaling din katulad ng parents mo, Aga and Shirley. Pero Atasha, syempre, ang kambal mo, si Andres, na mamayagpag ang kanyang Viva One series din na ang mutya ng Section E, milyones talaga ang mga views. Ang lakas-lakas, grabe. Lalong lumakas ang Viva One because of that series also. So, ngayon dito sa Bad Genius, hindi ka ba nag-pressure or na-excite ka sundan ng mga yapak ng kambal mo?
I'm very excited. Of course, I'm nervous kasi ito pa yung first lead na project. Pero in terms of the work itself, when I first heard about it, I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be, but as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that.
Yeah. Pero yun, alam ko, pagkindaan nyo na may mga ganap na kayo sa dita about this, no? Syempre, ito, bukod sa, syempre, susundan nyo is yung mutya ng Section E, and yung original movie, talagang super blockbuster, kaya nga maraming spin-off, di ba? For the cast na rin, and Derek, yun nga, gaano kayo excited, yun, tapos, kasi yung original nga, di ba, grabe yung feedback.
Sige, sino gusto magsimula? From this end, from Gab.
Hello po. First of all, I'm really grateful and blessed na makasama sa project after po nung ginawa namin na Chasing in the Wild na follow-up po ng Bad Genius, and when I saw the series, it's such a good series and the movie. So, I'm just really excited to shoot this, and ibang-iba po kasi ito sa character ko nung last na ginawa ko. So, I'm really excited to showcase what we have.
Siyempre naman po, like, I'm super excited. In terms of pressure, I mean, we all know that this is such an internationally well-loved film and series. And so, just knowing that, we all feel super grateful that we were trusted with the responsibility for these roles. And we're just excited to show everyone the whole story and our characters from a new perspective, a Filipino perspective. So, yeah.
Jairus?
Syempre sobrang excited since it's a different story na madalas natin napapanood sa TV or sa series. And very much excited kasi it's a different material for me. Kaya masaya. And working with Tash, with Hyga pa rin, exciting kasi we'll see kung ano yung may ibigay namin na best natin para sa series na ito.
Direct, yeah.
Syempre excited, sobra, Tito Jun. To be honest, dito, ang dami preparations na ginawa eh. I mean, nung unang inalok sa akin yung project, hindi rin ako kagad na-decide tanggapin siya. Parang pinag-isipan ko muna kasi ang taas ng expectation dun sa buong project. So parang sabi ko nga parang, it's a different material from what I usually do. And then, so parang, paano mo siya babaguhin? Kasi di ba yun ang main problem natin na pag-adaptation eh. I mean, ang taas ng expectations, and then kailangan magtapatan yung expectations, and then ano pagkakaiba ng project na ito sa ito sa mga nagawa na before, how you're going to change it. And ang daming preparations na ginawa ng staff, to be honest, na from each department, from the production design, from their costumes, and then the cinematography, even the story and the music, and then also I remember parang, kayo guys may mga preparations kayo eh. Parang hindi ako nagkakamali, you guys done a series of workshops. Kasi parang to prepare lang sila para dun sa buong material. Yun.
Also, just wanting to add to that, we're all very, very grateful because even as actors, we all see the effort that the team has put into making this such an incredible story. And they really put a lot of effort paying attention to the details, how to make it unique to our culture and our audience. And thank you, Direk. Maraming salamat for all of that. Thank you.
Siyempre, good luck and congrats ang role ng Viva One talaga. Di ba, PV?
Sobra.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, Sir Jude. Okay, moving in virtual role for Bad Genius, this series.
Hi guys, good afternoon ulit. So yun, alam na natin, Bad Genius. Of course, maraming questions sa atin eh. One of the biggest question right now, I'm sure na tanong natin lahat is, anong pagkakaiba ng Bad Genius, the series, na Filipino adaptation doon sa mga unang nilabas? Especially na meron tayong expectations, kilala siya worldwide. It was done in the US, in India, and then at the same time we have the movie and the series version. So, malaki yung pinagdaanan namin to develop the whole material. Actually, the whole staff and the cast as well. We've done several workshops for them. At the same time, inaral namin ng bawat isang character nila para to give a new flavor, a new image, kumbaga, ng Bad Genius na sigurado magugustuhan ng Filipino audience. So, may mga bagay kaming dinagdag dito na hindi siya usually na makikita. So, for next slide, for the character of Lynn, alam na naman natin lahat kung anong character ng Lynn, a brilliant high school student, kung saan siya yung utak at puso ng buong series. And then later on, something happened na kumbaga nag-start ang kumbaga yung the whole cheating na nangyari doon sa school and then up to the national level. So, basically, ano ba yung dinagdag namin dito? I mean, di ba, lahat naman yan ang question natin. May mga facet ng personality sila na hindi pa na-explore ng series na yun yung kumbaga dinagdag namin to be part of this buong project. We added na nung first time na inalok nato kay Atasha, I remember is that ang takot namin is that will Atasha will accept the project for this. And we were so grateful kay Atasha nung nalaman namin na parang, I think it took a week bago namin nalaman kung tatanggapin niya yung project para kami na nila Nins. Si Miss Nins, yung producer ko, I think nandito siya. Nasa na yun. Nagtatago yun, ayaw magpakita eh. Ayun, si Miss Nins. Sabi ko ngayon sa babalita, tinanggap na ba? Hindi pa direct ang babalitaan dito kung ano magiging resulta ng ano. But we were so grateful na tinanggap ni Atasha yung project for Bad Genius. So now for the character for the next slide please. Si Grace. Medyo sophisticated yung character ni Grace eh. And we know that Hyacinth will give tagito ng tama doon sa personality and character mismo ni Grace. We have no other person or another actor that we have in mind that will be casted other than Hyacinth for the role. Now next slide po. Same with Gab. Yun. It was hard for us to look for kung sino yung babagay as Pat. Parang mahabang discussion to eh. Kung sinong babagay for the character of Pat until we have this one sit down with all the producers and the creative team and then isa-isa namin and then doon lumabas yung pangalan ng Gab and then I think a week na eh, no? Bago ka namin kinausap about it eh, nung minute ka namin sa office eh. So, after that, we know na siya talaga yung personality na hinahanap namin for the role of Pat. And lastly, syempre, si Jairus. Ayan, hindi ko na sasabihin yun. Ayan. Well, sa character ni Pat, napasok siya for Jairus. I know you have a lot of questions later that you want to ask about the series and how we prepare for the whole material. But right now, bibigyan ng mic kay Atasha.
Back to you, Direk.
Okay, maraming salamat po, Direk. Now we head into our proper Q&A session. Of course, wherein our members of the press will have an opportunity to ask our cast and creative team questions about the series. So here are a few reminders. Because we do have a long list of press today who will be asking, we will limit the questions to one lang po per member. We do hope you cooperate. Maraming salamat po. And also, only ask questions related to the series, no personal and offensive questions. Maraming salamat po. Okay, so here is batch 1 of press na magtatanong ngayong tanghali, starting with June Lalin, followed by MJ Marfori, Eugene Asis, Ana Cerezo, Hannah Mayorga, at Aster Amoyo. That is batch 1. Simulan po natin. From Abante, let's hear from June Lalin.